The sticking trap, they got a hole down there for mostly 2 to 3 meters and a cover on the top. Somebody when they move and they fall in the hole, they will start it to be stuck from the middle. You can need 4 stick for 4 direction. They go straight in one direction only. Go straight to the middle. And they keep you stop moving over there. The second one, they got clipping armpit. Somebody falling down there, they got a problem with their armpit right here. Hands up means your armpit stuck there. The next one, they call it the rolling traps. Rolling traps, they have 2 rollers. These 2 rollers will always rolling. You keep rolling up and down when you keep moving down and down. So that's meaning the more you're getting up, the more you get down. Next one, the window traps. They look like a very normal camouflage like the bamboo trap as well. But the problem happens is somebody step on it and they fall down to the hole. Or the next one, this is the trap not really keep the entire body, but they just focusing some part of the body, and that would be your legs. They call it the folding chair. For this one, it work like crocodile. If somebody step on it, the crocodile take the legs away. Or the next one, the similar, they call it the fish trap. A fish trap will work like a fixing hook. If you step on it, they gotta keep your feet stuck there. But the problem is when you try to keep it up, when you try to lift your feet up, you stuck the second time with the stick on the top. And the final one, we come back to the motive to stop the whole body. Somebody will falling that one, they call it seesaw trap. And then all of the stick will go straight to their back right here. And that will stop you. But the last one right here is something different. One of the very different one from the last one. The trap I show you that way, they're made for the tunnel. But the trap right here, they're not be made for the tunnel. Can you see that one? The door trap. Somebody, they make the trap like this and they set it up behind the door. That will yield for the family. That's hiding from the government. Sometimes the government, they try to come to the village and they try to find down every Viet Cong. Sometimes the family, they're afraid that someone can get to their house and get the whole family away. So they make a trap like this to protect the family. When you open the door, you have to knock the door in the right numbers of times. Maybe 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. We agree with each other before. But if you're not from here, you're from the government or somewhere else, you didn't know that, so you don't knock the door. And instead of that, you hold the guns. You want to look for the people down there, you have to open the door. So with your hand basing holding gun, you kick the door. This is how the trap activated. When you kick the door from the bottom, the trap activated from the bottom to the top, and this keep going like this. Somebody holding guns, the only way they can yield for stopping the trap right here is to stop it from the top right here. They try to stop it from here by their arms. But when they do that, the trap have 2 parts. The bottom carry on. Like this. To somewhere sensitive. Yeah. So make sure, gentlemen, don't open the wrong doors. Or you know more gentlemen. Yeah. And that's why this, we keep it away from you already. No worry, yeah. So this is something we just show you, not for the bad meanings. We believe that we have to show you all of this.